Ka Jylla Meghalaya hadu ka Shibije Sngi jong ka santarik unai lor kaladon shispa prapu armut ki bayot mayo COVID-19 san phundai ngut ki balakot no badwe ilakhat no. U director ka DHSMI u Dr. Amanwar ulapntip panakini shispa prapu armut ki bayot mai shispa arpu ngut ki dina is khasil seswek hakabasan ngut ki dina ki armed forces paramilitary force shispa khan rengut ki reupai ba laipu ngut na riboy district hakaba khalai ngut na ki armed force paramilitary force khaprangut ki reupai ba Arngut na North Garo Hills District, Khatsangut na East Garo Hills District, Iway na West Khasi Hills District, but Khat Arngut na West Garo Hills District, Hakaba Nyongut kidi ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Sangut ki rupat ba. Nagini ki san pukundangut ki pakot mantagasngi, Sapu Prangut kidi na East Khasi Hills District, Iway na East Garo Hills District, Arngut na Riboy District, but Prangut na West Garo Hills District. Daga jingot mai kini ki shispa prapu arngut bat ka jingkot no kisan phundai ngut ka Jylla Meghalaya hadu bapinmi yang ni ka khubor ka don 8000 khandai spa khanru tli ki positive case 6000 lai spa nyop sau tli ki active case 6000 san spa af nyop tli ki recovered case bat khatsan ngut ki balakhat no Nagini ki 6000 lai spa nyop sau tli ki active case ka is kasil seswe ka don khandai spa khatsan tli ki active case hagba ki armed forces paramilitary forces ki don spa an repnru tli ki active case bat ki reu pat ba ki don no spa sau khnai tli ki active case ka west Khasi Hills ka don life tli ka south west Khasi Hills ka don iway ka Riboy district ka don spa arpo tli ki active case haba ki armed forces bat paramilitary force ki don arp khnai tli bat ki reu pat ba ki don khandai phoi tli ka west Jaintia Hills ka don pratli ka east Jaintia Hills ka don arp santli ka west Garo Hills ka don spa south tli hakaba ki armed force bat paramilitary force ki don khandai phnyo tli bat ki reu pat ba ki don south phnyo tli ka south west Garo Hills ka don arpo atli hakaba khatwai tli ki dei na ki armed force khatwai ngut na ki reu pat ba ka east Garo Hills ka don khandai phnyo tli bat ka north Garo Hills ka don pratli ki active case.
The number of new cases today stands at 182 cases, positive cases. East Khasi Hills, 121. 5 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces. 116 are from the others. Riboy, 31. 13 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces. 18 others. North Garo Hills, 2. East Garo Hills, 15. West Khasi Hills, 1. West Garo Hills, 12. 7 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 5 others. The total number of active cases stands at 1,374. And out of this 1,374, 915 are in East Khasi Hills. And out of this 915, 166 are the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 749 others. West Khasi Hills, 31. Southwest Khasi Hills, 1. Riboy, 120, armed forces, paramilitary forces 29, and others 91. West Jaintia Hills 8, East Jaintia Hills 25, West Garo Hills 144, 97 are armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 47 others. 3 Southwest Garo Hills, 22 South Garo Hills, 11 armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 11 others category. East Garo Hills, 97, North Garo Hills, 8. The number of recovered cases for the day is 59. 59. And out of this 59, 48 are from East Khasi Hills, 4 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 44 others. East Garo Hills 1, Ribhoi 2, West Garo Hills 8, 7 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 1 others. So the total number of recovered cases till date is 1,527. We have a new case which expired yesterday. So 1 death from West RiKhasi Hills, and the total number of deaths stands at 15.